An expert on Antiques Roadshow left some viewers miffed when he wouldn't value a World War II typewriter and went as far to say, "What is the point?" Marc Allum, who specialises in rare finds on the BBC One show, appeared to be less than enthusiastic about the item when it was put under his nose by a guest. Examining it, Marc says, "Do you know, I took one look at this typewriter and really part of me initially thought the best thing that could happen to it were for it to be thrown in a skip. But this is a perfect example of how an object can be the catalyst and the momentum behind an incredible story." Read more related articles explaining more of the object's role in World War I, the guest says. "During the Second World War, my grandparents used this. They were involved in the resistance movement in Nazi-occupied Poland. And my grandfather was an author and a journalist. He worked for the underground resistance press and he was connected all over Europe. So I think this was exactly what they used to write about what was happening." Read more related articles. Marc says that the battered typewriter's legacy is of a big story as people fought against Nazi oppression in occupied Poland and the rest of Europe. The guest says it was illegal to even own a typewriter in Poland at the time and her grandparents took a huge risk in printing anti-Nazi material. "You would have been executed if they caught you with this, but the fact my grandparents risked their lives to inform about what was going on, it really moves me," she says. Marc still refuses to value the item or even guess at what it could get at auction. "How do you value things like this?" the auctioneer asks, quickly adding, "I'll tell you, you don't, because what's the point? As far as I'm concerned, this is valueless, but locked up in it is the most valuable story," he says. Marc then thanks the guest for bringing along the typewriter, but viewers at home were not very happy at the outcome. One fumed, IDB well P*** off if I lugged that typewriter there only to be told, I won't value it, because what's the point? #Antiques Roadshow. A second annoyed-sounding viewer tweeted, "Thanks for bringing that rusty old typewriter in. MIC drop. #Antiques Roadshow." This comes after an Antiques Roadshow guest found some of Winston Churchill's personal possessions in a dump, including his iconic hat. He was absolutely staggered when told its approximate value, calling it crazy.